You all are useless. Nothing can be achieved by you all.
Boss, we can't bring that bag. But there's a man who can. Should I call him?
Call.
Hello, Arjun, where are you?
I'm working right now.
I have a task for you. Will you do it?
What's the work?
Come to the boss's house. The boss will tell you.
Wait, I'm coming right now.
Now you guys go.
Hi.
You are the one who is going to return my bag of money? I have no faith in this.
What's an even bigger task? What is it? Tell me.
I trust you. That's why I'm telling you this. Beyond 5 kilometers from this location lies Prisma City. Within that city, the Prisma Community Building resides. Your target, room number 666, retrieve my bag of money. But one warning, a large monster roams that city. Can you complete this task?
Leave him to me. I'll handle him. Keep my share of the money ready. Raka told me that a terrible and powerful monster lives in this place. He said that this monster is so big that it looks like a small mountain. Raka also told me that this monster is very dangerous and kills anyone who comes in its way. But when I came here and started looking for the monster, I couldn't see anything anywhere. I looked everywhere, but I couldn't find any sign of the monster.
These sounds like someone's playing a game. But with whom? And why? The bag of money? I have to find it. These sounds are distracting me. Must stay alert. Every moment. Anything can happen. What is that? Light. It was all dark here. Is someone inside? What is this? What is this? Why is there a skull inside? I sell this to a dealer. Will I get a lot of money for it? What is happening? What's going on? How did this door get closed? Forget that. I'll bring this. Leave that. Should I bring this? What have I done? The greed to touch that skull, it blinded me. Rocca's money, my job. Everything is ruined. I thought I'd become rich. Selling that skull, a new life. But look, now I'm here, dying. This pain, it's the pain of my mistake. Greed, it always brings destruction. I betrayed my boss. I betrayed myself. Now I have nothing left. No, I can't lose like this. Arjun never leaves a task unfinished. Rocca's money. I have to bring that bag back, somehow. No matter what happens, I will take that bag. It is my last job, and I will finish it. Ah, my chest. It hurts so much, but I won't stop. I have to move forward. This pain is unbearable, but I will bring Rocca's money. Pain. Where am I? Why is it so hot here? What is this place? Who is this? Why is there a skull in their head? What place is this? Who are you? How did you get here? Oh, help! Help me! Somebody help me! Save me! It hurts so much! What was that? A dream? A reality? That skull man. He burned me, said some magic words, and I started burning. But I survived. It was a dream. My hands, legs, all fine. My chest is fine too. Good thing, nothing happened to me. But that skull, where did it go? Was that magic skull also a dream? Forget all that. I need to go get Rocca S. bag. He told me to finish the job quickly and come to the top. I'll be late. What is this? What's happening? I have to get out of here with this money. How? But there's a monster ahead. There's only one way. Is this Rocca's monster? It is so stinks. I was so scared. I'm taking my bag and leaving, or there'll be more trouble. Oh, finally, I found the bag. I'll leave quickly. If any more trouble comes, I won't be able to survive. And I'm low on gun bullets. It seems Rocca hasn't come yet. Okay, I'll wait. Thank goodness I survived. Doesn't Rocca know the difference between a T-Rex and a monster? Thankfully, that T-Rex is gone. I was thinking I was going to die.
Arjun, come quickly! Jump, Arjun, jump!
Get the helicopter up fast! Fly the helicopter now! It's coming! Here, take your bag of money. There were a lot of problems for this bag. I had to go through a lot of hardships for this bag. How much money will I get from the money in this bag?
Tell me, how much money do you want?
I want 80 crore. I've worked so hard, I should get at least that much.
80 crore. Okay, just a second. I'll take the money out of the bag and give it to you. You want 80 crore, right? Then take it.
If you want to stay alive, say the word originate loudly.
Again, that same bad dream. It repeat. What's happening to me? This cursed skull. Touching it. That's what's causing these twisted dreams. And that bastard Rocca. I won't let him get away with it. I risked everything, my life, to get that bag. He pushed me out of a helicopter. He'll pay. What is this? This skull. It's all because of this skull. Get out of my sight, you vile thing. Wait, where's that sound coming from? What? Out of ammo? What do I do now? I'll run. My leg. What do I do now?
If you want to stay alive, say the word originate loudly.
Nate.